Hi everybody, my name is Emily and I'm going to walk you through the release notes for January 2023. So the first enhancement that was made is under the crew maintenance area of the software, and we added the item number under the started jobs area. In the touchscreen area, we also enhanced the whip grid controls, so now you can sort and filter the whip grid, and you can also page left and right instead of up and down on the screen. Another enhancement on the touchscreen was the addition of the quick filter area. So now you can filter data by order, operation, item description, and alternate ID or turnaround number. And this filter is specific to the work center that you are currently in. We also added a new KPI portal module that includes a Pareto chart that displays work center downtime hours by reason code. And if you click on the bar on this chart, you can see additional information about that specific bar graph. And then in the downtime codes KPI chart, we have a tooltip that's provided that when you click on the data point, it will automatically navigate you to the work center downtime hours by reason code KPI. We also added a feedback button to the touchscreen that is fully configurable to turn on and off on the portal admin area under work center admin. And when you click on this feedback button, it'll take you to a screen that lets users type in any feedback they may have. And this will also show you what site, work center, order, what user, and the date that this has been entered. And then to go along with this, we also enhanced application on the portal screen with a new button called Manage Operator Feedback, and that displays the operator feedback entered from the touchscreen, and it allows an administrator to manage the information. And you can find this option under production, and then it's called Manage Operator Feedback. We also enhanced the purchase receipt label template by adding the reason codes variable to the available template options. And that is all I have for the January release notes. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our team with the emails below.